Hello, friends. Hope you're doing well. Do you want to create fashion-forward, magazine-quality images? Soul 2.0 on Higgsfield.ai is built for modern culture. It can generate photorealistic images with 20-plus curated presets, consistent characters with Soul ID, and editorial-level aesthetics. From UGC ads to campaign photos, you create stunning visuals effortlessly. Let me show you how you can do it.
First of all, let's go to Google and search for Higgsfield.ai, then click the very first link. You can also find the link in the description of the video. Here it is the homepage of Higgsfield.ai. Here we can find all latest AI video and image generation models. Now it's introducing Soul 2.0, which is a new photo model designed for creative, fashion-forward visuals with built-in cultural fluency. Here we can also find different models, such as Cinema Studio 2.0, Kling 3.0, and many more. With the help of these amazing advanced tools, we can generate images, we can generate videos, we can generate motion control, we can edit images, and more. Here are also top choices, such as Nano Banana Pro, Kling Motion Control, and AI Influencer Studio. In this video, we will focus on Higgsfield.ai Soul 2.0. Soul 2.0 is a photo model built for fashion, aesthetics, and creative expression. Here, we can find different images that are created by different users and creators. Now, click on View All Higgsfield.ai Soul 2.0. Here, we can find a community of Soul 2.0. You can see what creators are making with Soul 2.0 style. Get inspired and share your own work with the community. Here we can find the images that different creators have created using this advanced AI image generation model. Now we want to learn more about Soul 2.0. For that purpose, click on Learn More about Soul 2.0. Once we enter, here we can find the key highlights. Built for modern culture as it can understand fashion, trends, online slang, and culture references. We can use Soul ID personalization, due to which your identity stays locked across every style, pose, and lighting. Short, not generated, spontaneous, chaotic angles, authentic expression. Soul 2.0 is your creative partner as it interprets and pushes your vision further. Everything between a simple prompt and scroll-stopping visuals. It can present generation modes and photorealistic output all in one place. Here, we just generate text to image with a starting point. Generate from text or use an image as a reference. Soul 2.0 interprets our input with the same level of realism and style control. Another aspect is editorial-level aesthetic, as every output feels art-directed with intentional composition, style, and visual taste you would expect from a magazine spread. We can also generate unmatched realism. Soul 2.0 delivers natural textures and lifelike authenticity to every visual story. One click for instant aesthetic to get 20-plus curated presets at launch. Pick a vibe, type a prompt, and get a magazine-ready result without any prompting skills. With the help of Soul 2.0, we can generate consistent characters with Soul ID. Turn your photo into perfectly consistent, ultra-realistic images across any scene or setup. Here we can see a consistent character in different poses. Here are also different types of use cases. Your next photo shoot starts with a prompt. We can generate UGC and lifestyle ads. We can create campaigns and editorial photos. We can use it for personalization. Here we can also find a preset library. Pick a vibe, skip the prompt engineering. Each preset is tuned to a specific aesthetic. Here are more than 15 million users worldwide. Join a global creative network where people generate images, share ideas, and inspire each other every day. Now go to the top and click on Start Creating. Here we can design creative, fashion-forward visuals with built-in cultural fluency. Here we can use an image as a reference, and we can also describe the scene of our imagination. Here we can see we have used Soul 2.0 to generate an image. We can also change aspect ratio. Here are different types of aspect ratios available. We can choose the best one. We can also generate images up to 2K quality, which makes more high-quality images. We can also turn on or off Prompt Enhancer according to our needs. The best part is that here we can generate up to 4 images using the same prompt at once. We can also add a character. Here we can make our own character, and we can also upload a character from multiple angles to train our character. Then use the same consistent character across new images and videos. We can also change the style of our images. Here we can find all presets such as General, Warm Ambient, Y2K Studio, and more. From here we can select the best one according to our needs. On Models, here are also different types of models. We can select the best one. From Style, we can select Style. We can also choose a camera according to our needs. Now in the prompt bar, I will enter a prompt, cute young Russian girl in a happy, cheerful mood standing in the middle of a city road, and the rest of the prompt is related to the image. After that, now we can see here we can use Soul 2.0 for image generation. Now we will select Aspect Ratio. From here, we will select 9:16 ratio. For image quality, we will select 2K. Here, we want to generate 3 different variations of images using the same prompt. Then, from Style, here we can select one according to our needs. We will select Flash Editorial. After that, click on Generate. It takes a few seconds to generate 3 different variations of images. Here, we can see Soul 2.0 will generate 3 different images using only 3 credits. Once our images are ready, let's see the 3 different images we have created using Soul 2.0. It looks appealing to eyes. We have created high-quality images. With the help of Soul 2.0, we can also upscale our image, we can enhance our image, we can relight our image, we can in-paint our image, and we can also change the angle of our image according to our needs. Now we want to change angle. Click on Angle. From here, we can change rotation and tilt, and we can also zoom our image. Here, we can see we can generate an image now with 0.2 credits. It will start generating an image. Once our image is ready, we can see we have generated an image with low credits, but a high-resolution image is ready. With the help of this tool, we can generate such types of images effortlessly. We can also animate images, and we can also download these images. Now let's download images and see one by one. The quality seems awesome. We have created wonderful images effortlessly and exported them onto our computer system to use further. That's how you create stunning fashion images using Soul 2.0 on Higgsfield.ai. Try it yourself using the link in the description. Like, subscribe, and share your creations in the comments. Join 15 million creators worldwide. Take care and see you in the next video.